kuya.
Sa Garden Cebu lang mo, ma'am, or other province mo? Okay, mix. Sige, ma'am. So, if ever mag-CR mo, ma'am, sir, this way lang, straight, likod lang sa brown building. Pwede po mag-get tong CR din sa may art, ma'am, if ever later na mo mag-CR. Ay, Tagalog. Sige po, ulit. Sige po, if ever gusto po mag-CR, this way lang po, straight, likod po sa brown building. Tapos, pwede po kayong dumaan dito sa may art po, if ever later na. Thank you, ma'am, sir.
Thank you.
Flowers. Yeah. Ma, I put it there. Where's your Where our house? Don't pick the flowers, okay? I won't do that. Okay, okay. I will never pick up flowers. How do you look at them? Yeah, you're not allowed. You're not allowed to get the flowers. Yeah, we're not allowed. I never get that.
Aggression!
Mama, dandan.
Yes, adoration.
Ayaw.
Yes. Oh, careful. Okay. Yeah.
The cake is like else like tayo dito sa medyo ano rin, no? Umulan.
You should walk on like that. Was raining here. Or else you slip. Oh! No, maybe the rocks are getting you.
Adoration!
So pretty and
Good adoration. Okay.
rainbow. It's so pretty.
Sama ko yung pangalan. Bakit yan itong daan nito? Rainbow! Ako kagam sa ano?
It's a rainbow. Even my toy car can. What is it called?
Just hold here. Also, you want
There's
Hindi
ants.
mo kailangan yung hawak. Madulas yun.
Diyan din, Bio.
Yeah.
Bye! Picture ulit kami.
It looks like we're somewhere.
Got it.
Not me. Not me.
Saan ba yung CR daw doon? Sa may
Very
resto?
scary.
Kuya, it's like the cap of a canoe. Oh!
Where there's a mountain.
Last.
Mountain near us. Oh,
Maganda doon.
you see that little?
June 5.
June 5 also. I don't know what to buy that. I want that. I want Minecraft.
1, 2, 3. Bahala mo tayo mag-smile niya po.
That smells like mountain June.
Sige, hindi ka rin gamay.
Not big, it's expensive.
Ganun din, no? Yung pinky.
Amen? Where's Nino? Ah, there. Oh, there's Nino.
I don't like that at There's up the way because my skirt is like gonna trip me. Oh my gosh, the paw prints.
See, you're so cute. No running, ha?
I saw it.
Doon sana, oh, you know.
From Baliran. Dude.
Motor ka, hindi na. multo. Pero hindi mo nakita kanina, sumilip. Makikita ko sa picture, malamang. Hindi, sumilip pa ako. Diyan. Maninilip na multo. Masilip. Why? Pink. Violet. Pink. Ito nata yung pinakamatigas na. Malambot yan pag nababasa. Ah. Yan ang ginagawang jar. Smile. Smile dako.
Kato ba? Katong nagaan.
Smile dako. Parang Starbucks yung sa Tagaytay yun. Ang ganun, no? Starbucks Tagaytay. Oregano. Yan? Yan ang nagpapabango. Yan, no? Pinaamoy mo. No?
May iniinom.
Ibang oregano, oh. Ibang klase, pero family of oregano. Kaya mga mabango. Family of oregano yan. Yan, oh. Sa cricket. Exercise. Gusto mo? Picture kita. Oh, isa lang. Smile dako. Smile dako. No smile. No smile.
Okay, doon kayo. Children, Plants vs. Zombies.
Oh, kids.
Children!
Uy, no.
ko yun ang tulas.
Smile.
Saan?
Kumanan doon siya. Dito.
Smile lang. All girls in the front.
All the princesses are in the front.
No, you go. Ayaw.
Yes. So, may hagdan. We'll follow mommy. Order si mommy. Tia with Ate Emily.
Where is he going?
We'll go up now.
Are you videoing?
Ah.
Hey, hi. Si R. Ito may restaurant. Ang
Paano man ito?
Ito naman kasi nagawa dito.
Mami.
Smile. Yan pala, bumaba pa. Pagod na yung mga bata.
Dito ba mag-picture tayo?
Saan?
Alejandra. Yun na lang, picture ako. Na doon. Papa, ito yan, Tay! Sige na ba? Naiwan ka.
Uy, wag na. Bakit?
Si Papa, picture ako. Lagi ng photographer ako niyan.
Saan ba?
Wait!
Saan ba? Dino? Dino? Mommy's calling you.
Pa-picture pa dito.
Oh, dito pala.
Oh, yan o.
Dali, dali, face dito, face dito.
Yan na, dali na.